guys, welcome back to my channel Indemters. In this tutorial we will learn about PHP data types and how to use them effectively in the program. Let's talk about data types in PHP. Variable can store data of different types and different data types can do different things. The value assigned to the PHP variable may be of different data types including simple string and numeric type to more complex data type like array and object. The data type specify the amount of memory that allocate to the variable associated with to it. In additionally, the data type determine the operation that you can perform on it. PHP is a loosely typed language. It does not have explicitly defined data types. PHP determines the data type by analyzing the attribute of data supply. PHP implicitly supports the data types. PHP supports 8 primitive data types that can be categorized further in 3 types. First is scalar type, second is compound type, third is special type. Scalar data is data that only contain a single value. There are 4 scalar data types in PHP. First is boolean, second is integer, third is float, fourth is string. Compound data can contain multiple values. There are 2 compound data type in PHP. First is array, second is object. Last is special data type. There are 2 special data types in PHP. First is resource, second is null. Now let's discuss each one of them in details in my upcoming tutorials for PHP beginners.